Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Render FET and Injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with the Render here and we're gonna see a little bit the daily. So for the daily for Render, we are still looking at an ABC potentially as highest probability here where we have an impulse, wave A, wave B corrective, another impulse for wave C, finishing the major wave A. That means a regular flat might be unfolding as an A and very long sideways, or I would say deep, not just sideways, but deep wave B, and looking for wave C for the 1-to-1 fib level around the $15 for render. Now, basically, we are still looking to finish this structure for the wave B. It's a very complex one where we have a W, a triangle for an X, and very likely we are unfolding here a potential wave Y. Now, it can be a finished wave Y because the micro level has started to show some signals there where we might be, of course, in a bull run that it might have started already for render and for the AI coin like render, FET, and Injective. We're gonna see all those in this video. So basically, we have potentially here an impulse as a wave 1 and an A, B, and a C here, where we are going to test a wave 2 there in the perfect fib levels for the 0.618 and 0.786. So that is a very likely scenario that we might finish up this correction with one more drop there before we push higher for the wave 3. If we dive inside it here, we can see clearly that we have an impulse unfolding as a 1, 2, 3 here. Wave 4 and a wave 5 might have started, and we might see one more low, as we mentioned, between the 0.618 and the 0.786, 1.44 is very likely because we're gonna take the low there. So expect a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a reaction to push toward the upside here. Again, to finish this A, B, and a C here, this wave C can be unfolding as a deeper 1, 2, 3 here, 4, and a 5. Or even all of it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ABC, by the way, can be a potential 3 waves correction, like a wave A and then wave B and wave C to unfold somehow in 5 waves, meaning a long wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. That it can be also a possible scenario for a wave 2. Another probability can be also after the wave 1 here is a 3 waves down, 3 waves up as an expanding flat, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here that we are looking at is a potential wave C. So in all case scenario, however we turn it, in any case scenario, whether expanding flat, ABC, extended wave, C as well, we are looking for a potential target for wave 2 here to push for higher. In case that things goes bearish, that means if we break the 886 here, 1.21, it is very likely to get one more low there, but things, are very unlikely to happen because this structure is very far even from being a diagonal as an ending diagonal. I see it much more as an expanding diagonal that it can unfold, of course, a deeper wave 5, which our target for bearish here can go to the 1-to-1 there again to the 0.76 cents. So we gotta be careful with it. That is not nice, of course, if this happened, but we're gonna watch. Of course, this is our red flag here, 1.21. If taken, well, then we are looking for an expanding diagonal, very likely here to be finishing a full structure for a large wave B, and then we start, of course, with the bull run again. However, I doubt this. We still, of course, need to break this level before we turn bearish. For FET, FET is also a very nice signal there. We see also a potential W, X, and a Y on the daily. Let me show the daily first. So on the daily, we are looking here at a W, X, and a Y, and that because, of course, of the zigzag 3 waves there. Finished wave A, and we're looking for a flat wave B and a wave C after all to bring, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level. $3.8, I would say, for FET is very likely for the bull run. Now, basically, this wave B is unfolding as a very complex structure, same as render. I would say wave X as a triangle, and something is unfolding here as a wave Y, but it can be finished here this wave Y ABC there, and we start to see something impulsive pushing toward the upside here. If we dive inside it, we can see clearly that this potential scenario that it is unfolding here is a 1, an ABC wave 2 expanding flat, wave 3, another very long sideways wave 4, I would say even WX and a Y here, because of course this is a wave 4. It didn't took the wave 1 zone, and that means of course invalidation is intact, and followed by an impulse 1 2 3 4 5 to finish is this impulse for a wave 1. What I'm looking after right now, of course, our testing area, but I'm looking for a long time range here, because we need it. After a wave 1 there, you need, of course, a long range wave 2 before you push for higher. In case it goes a little bit deeper, it is also very likely to get the 0.618 and the 0.786, the perfect fib levels, again, $0.17. Now, if we take a look at this signal there that we still have, of course, an impulse. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can be finished, and A, B, and a C. So we gotta be careful. So this is, yeah, looks like the longer or the deeper wave 2 that it might be unfolding can be finished also even there. So we might be in an A, B, and a C. The wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking also at an impulse towards downside. It's very likely to be a zigzag, finishing, of course, this structure wave 2 to push toward the upside very soon, of course, after it, and see a bull run from there. So this is regarding FET. FET is a little bit much more clearer than render. It doesn't have so many possibilities. For the bearish, we can be, of course, in one scenario as bearish, which it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 expanding diagonal, same as render, by the way, scenario. Because, of course, I cannot turn here into double 1, 2. It's a very rare case to have an expanding diagonal. Therefore, I doubt it. But if we get it, so the bull run trigger might be taken, and we might push toward the upside after all. But yeah, I still doubt it. We need to break, of course, those levels here, especially this one, to claim something as bearish. If we don't take it, well, it's far from bearish still. Very interesting. So finally, we're going to finish with Injective. Injective as well is an AI coin, and we are looking also at a very interesting chart here where we have a regular flat or double 1, 2, but higher probability is for the regular flat, where you have 1, 2, 1, 2, massive wave 3 to unfold, which I doubt it because you might hit directly the $86 in a massive wave 3. But higher probability here goes for the A, B, and a wave C to unfold to get the 1-to-1 fib level at $56, which is also very nice. Now, basically, this wave B is still unfolding as well. WX and a Y in a very complex structure, where we have a W, an X here, and a wave Y, A, B, and a C to the low, and we're looking for something for higher. Now, Injective is also even clearer. It has took the time required, by the way, for the wave B here, and we're looking for an impulse already given on the 2 hours or the micro levels. Now, on the micro levels, we have this impulse finishing up, by the way. It's not yet done, where we have one ABC wave 2, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 3. Wave 4 is not yet finished, guys. It's still very, very long. That's because the wave 4 here is alternating a wave 2, which is a very long wave 2, and also it is an expanding flat. So I'm expecting also something very long in time here to take double time. The invalidation is still very far, 3.38, but we didn't finish a structure. Meaning the structure here, if it is an expanding flat, it can be an ABC. The wave C is a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. Because the wave 1 is very extended, we might get the 0.5 at $4.5. Another probability can be a WX and a wave Y in a zigzag, meaning one more drop here, but I doubt it somehow. I think that this is gonna take time a little bit with confluence with the AI coin, render, and FT as well before we push for a massive wave 5 to finish, of course, this potential impulse, guys, as a wave 1 again. Yep, so this is regarding the AI coin, FET, Injective, and Render. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.